Hello student, today we are doing introduction to theory of demand. Say in normal life we use three words, that is desire, want and demand for the same purpose. But in economics all the three have three different meaning. Say first I am starting up with desire. Desire is a mere longingness for a particular commodity. Now, what does that mean? This means that I am longing, I want to have a particular commodity. I wish to have a particular commodity. I don't have money for that. I want to have a BMW 7 Series, but I don't have enough money to buy that. So, this is called desire. So, this is what? My desire. I wish to have a BMW 7 Series, but I don't have money for that. Now want means when a desire is supported by money force. What does that mean? I want to have BMW 7 Series and have enough money to buy it. So my desire becomes what? My want. Now demand is when you have a desire for a particular commodity, you have enough money for that, and you want to buy that particular commodity at a given price and within a given time span. That becomes your demand. So if you attach a time period along with your want, that becomes your demand. In terms of definition, we say that demand is the willingness of a consumer to buy a particular commodity at a particular price and at a given period of time. Means a consumer is willing. So it means demand is a futuristic concept. I don't have it. I am willing to buy a commodity if that commodity is available to me at a particular price, and I'll buy it within a time frame. Time frame means that can be 1 month, that can be 1 week, that can be 2 months, that can be 6 months. I hope you must have understood all the three concepts. If you like it, please like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.